Hello everyone, my name is Azwan, and today for this video I will be sharing about the SRM VMware Agent installation. Firstly, a basic overview of the VMware Agent. SRM agents collect server utilization and other statistical data from the server machine. This collection agent is a SOAP-based Java application for use with the virtual center running on vSphere and ESXi version 3.0 and above. The collection agent obtains both configuration and performance metrics through the Virtual Center and vSphere API. The connection itself is a secure connection requiring a user ID, password, and a certificate stored in a key store. The VMware agent runs only on the English version of Windows Server and can be installed on a virtual machine running Windows Server OS. And this virtual machine must be in the same network segment with the vCenter or VCSA. Now let's continue on the installation of the agent. Run the installer as administrator and a window will appear. The default location will be C Program Files VMware 3. If this folder already exists or a previous version is installed, please backup the existing folder before clicking Yes in this installer. This installer will overwrite everything inside the folder. Click Yes to continue. After extracting the required files to the destination folder, the vCenter information window will pop up. Please enter the requested information, which are the FQHN of the vCenter, username and password in the respective fields. If you already have a backup of the encrypted password and vCenter information from existing agent, then you may extract the vCenter information either from existing config.properties file or backup_login.properties file. To do this, please select the option to load vCenter information. Once the information has been entered, please click on the Test Connection button, and if the connection is successful, there will be a green prompt showing ping is successful. After the information has been entered, click on Save and allow the installer to finish. Once it is done, there will be a window stating that the installation is completed successfully. Next will be the steps to verify a successful installation. Please allow around 10 minutes for the agent to run before proceeding with verification. Firstly, immediately after installation, there will be an SRM VC agent status icon on the desktop. Please double-click on this to view the current status of the agent. Next, you will need to verify the following files. Locate to the installation directory, C Program Files /VMware 3 and check for the generation of the start time files. If they are generating, then this shows that the agent is running. Next, to monitor the agent data collection for the day, please locate to the data folder under the VMware 3 folder and you will find a series of data files. Please ensure that they are growing throughout the day and they will be packed into the vc.all file at the end of the day, which is at 12 AM midnight. That will conclude the video for today and covers for the installation and initial diagnosis for the SRM VMware agent. Thank you for taking your time to listen to this video. For any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact our team, or you can even go to our IBM intranet wiki link to view more information regarding SRM agent. Thank you and have a nice day.